Alright folks, we got an incoming Union Pacific freight train at Oakland Jack London Square.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got incoming Union Pacific freight train at Oakland Jack London Square station. This is it. Here he comes now, approaching Oakland Jack London Square.
She's approaching on track 3. I'll zoom in for you guys. Yep, it's a mixed freight. Looks like half mixed freight and half auto rack. Oh my god, these people. You're not supposed to cross the tracks while the train's coming. That's illegal. You can kill yourself from that. Anyways, here she comes, folks. Union Pacific. Approaching Oakland Jack London Square on track 3. Yeah! Yeah! 58-58! Yeah! 58-58, 54-41, 44-08. Woohoo! Nice! There's these center beam cars full of wood. Maybe a house is being built. Here are the auto racks. This is half mixed freight and half auto rack. Live action at Oakland Jack London Square. Woo! Yep. Nice. Live in Oakland Jack London Square. Thank you all for watching, and I'm out. Till next time. See ya.